I love her so much.
Oh, the worst angle. Look guys, I want to show you my... We're not at the pools, Mum. What is up guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Now today is a special day because it is my birthday. Yay! So go ahead, comment down below, happy birthday Victoria, whatever you want. I remember when I used to get really excited for my birthday, or when my birthday was coming up. Couldn't wait, but now it's just so different. I'm so grateful for everything. I'm grateful for my life, for my family. I have everything that I want and everything that I need. So I'm just waiting for Aussie to come home. I got home from work not long ago. Oh yeah, job update. So I have been doing exceedingly extraordinarily well in my new job. And I just give God all the glory and the honor and the praise for his Christ-like wisdom that he's working in me, because I've only been there for 1 week, and guys, I am picking it up super fast. Hello, I'm like a pro there. No, just kidding, but like I am picking it up really fast. And so today I had lunch with Chrissy and my sister, and she gave me some birthday money. Then I decided, because my workmate influenced me, to go and get these. They're Jabra. They fit so snugly in my ear, like little snuggle buggy. It should go that way. It's so nice. Do you see it? It's so nice, isn't it? But I'm gonna wait for him to come home, and I just love my earphones so much, hey. And also go ahead and tell me, girl, you been looking good, girl. Whatever you're doing, keep doing it, girl. You lost weight, girl. You so pretty, girl. Happy birthday, girl. You're so pretty, girl. I like you, girl. It's my birthday. I can be happy if I want to. Thank you everyone for the birthday wishes in advance. Thank you for those who have taken their time to reply me on Instagram, and yeah, I appreciate it.
Hey yo, yeah yo. What's up guys? It's your boy Georgie. I just finished work guys. So today's my wife's birthday. You know guys, when I put on Facebook, I want to show you guys beautiful flowers.
Look at my flowers, they're so pretty. Oh, thank you, Aussie.
I just wanna tell her I love her so much.
Oh, the worst angle. Yeah, I'll hold it. This is Aussie's first time buying me flowers, guys, believe it or not. He always says, it's a waste of money, it's a waste of money. But today he got me flowers.
Guys, I wanna tell her I love her so much.
Thank you, they're so pretty. Can you get on this side for our thumbnail?
We're here at the mall, coming for the dinner for Victoria's birthday. So Victoria's gonna be happy to enjoy the ribs from the star ribs. Lone Star.
Look guys, I want to show you my headphones. How cool are they? So these are called Jabra, and I got the active one. Thank you, Aussie Chrissy Lippo. My mum casually changing Evan in the restaurant. We're not at the pools, Mum. Time and place, so time and place. Hi, Bubby. Hi, Bubby. So we've been sitting here for like 20 minutes, right? And my dad kept saying like he wasn't gonna come, he didn't want to come and all this stuff. This dinner is obviously for my birthday. My mum says to me, oh, how old are you now? Are you 20, blah, blah, blah. My dad was like, what are you talking about? He looked at me again, he was like, is it your birthday today? I cracked up because I'm like, why did he think that we were coming to dinner? And he was like, I didn't know why we were coming to dinner, that's why I didn't want to come. Like, how rude, Daddy. Yummy, I got macaroni balls, ribs, snack, calamari. Good morning, guys. So I just got back from the gym. I'm so tired. I went with Molly girl and she woke me up at like 7 o'clock or 7:20 and she was like, get ready for the gym, blah blah blah. I was like, no, I'm tired, I've still got this headache from last night and I just don't feel like going. And then she just completely ignored that and was like, see you in 20 minutes. So I didn't want to leave her hanging, so I got up, got ready, and I feel good for going. And then I also went and got some supplements as well, collagen. The reason I got this one was because it's 100% pure hydrolyzed collagen, and the other brands always had like only 50% of the hydrolyzed collagen, and then the other 50% was made up of other stuff. So this one seems quite natural to me, and you just add it in water or you can put it in your juice or smoothies. And what this does is it helps with your hair, it helps with your nails, and especially your skin. So not just my skin on my face, but your skin in your body, because when you start to lose weight, it aids the elasticity and it helps it bring it back together. The other supplement that I got was brewer's yeast. It helps with like general well-being, especially with your gut health. Helps to digest your food a bit better. And if you find that it's hard for you to keep on a diet, I suggest that you study more. It's because of your lack of knowledge. What you're actually doing to your body is the reason why you keep falling away. If you understand and you know, I mean, this is someone who has like zero willpower when it comes to food. But learning more and more about what I'm actually doing to my body makes me more aware and makes me feel like, no, I don't want to put my body through that anymore. And the other thing that I got was cod liver. So guys, that's my morning. Aussie's gone to the gym as well. He went shortly after me, but my sweet dear husband vacuumed the house before I went. He's such a good man, my husband.
What's up guys, it's your boy Chochi. We're back with another video, guys. So today's Saturday. Yeah, we just finished gym this morning. And guys, I'm gonna go to do my haircut today because I look batty today. I'm gonna cook my breakfast today, guys. So just myself. It's called chicken bacon bread. What? Oh, egg, bacon and egg bread. Zumba. So guys, I'm gonna do a Zumba to relax my gym this morning. So this is my Zumba. If you wanna join me to Zumba, just stand up and Zumba with me.
What are you doing?
Look how beautiful this flower, guys. Ooh, nice, shiny.
Look how nice they are.
Woo!
Beauty, mate. It's a beauty, mate. Hi guys, so Aussie and I are gonna go now to the Samoan cricket. I just got to go and get some bone broth first. I'm here at my sister's with my parents and oh, I look like a baby face. So we're here at the cricket now. Chris's team won. Woohoo! Go Lissy! Lissy just finished playing. She's right beside me. She doesn't want to be in the vlog. But Lissy, how do you think you played? This is Lissy Jr.
Yep, good.
And did you win it for the team?
Sure did.
And we got Molly girl here, looking like a shack.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Molly. What's up, guys? It's your girl Molly. And we're back with another video. So, checking in, currently here at the fields with my girl Chrissy. And your hair's in my eye, girl. Girl, as you can see, I'm really burnt. We had a good day of cricket. We won against AG, so we are in the finals against Meckles. Let's go!
Say something to your sisters.
Tell them to come home.
Tell them.
Hi, Molly said it.
Tell them Lavaka. Why?
Lavaka.
Hey, you say it. You say it.
Tina, Benita.
I'll come smash you.
Say that.
What face?
Do you want to see Victoria cry?
Open the flap.
See that? See that?
Open the flap,
Don't
Molly.
be tricky with me.
Molly had poo on her face.
Did you wipe it?
Yeah, there was nothing there. I was joking. It was only there.
I know. Me like that.
Show me.
Oh my God. Is it good? Always.
Okay, Eddie, why are you... Wait, can I have a go turn?
Okay.
Again?
Molly.
I'm so turned up with you. She wants to break up with you.
Oh my God.
I told her she broke up with June.
You're just playing. Can you tell your Benita, Tina's sister to stop annoying me?
I'm not your sister, so